Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to be having a look at this awesome portable air pump by Syncwire. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome portable air pump and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase this item. And of course, before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at Syncwire for sending me this air pump to review. Let's get started. Let's begin with a quick size reference, just so you get a better idea for the overall size of this air pump. Gonna tip this on the side so you can see the overall thickness of this portable air pump. Here it is next to a 9-volt battery. Let's get the Syncwire on the scale so you know how much weight you're going to be carrying around. Coming in at right around 1 pound, 2.1 ounces. And just in case you're wondering what 1 pound, 2.1 ounces feels like, well, if you consider how much a normal bottle of water weighs, it's pretty close. Here's everything you're going to get in the box. The pump itself, charge cable, carry case, a couple of these valve tire stem caps, and a bag of accessory nozzles so you can pump up different items like basketballs and soccer balls. So the nozzle to your right here is the side you're going to unscrew to inflate your tire or whatever it else is you're trying to inflate, and it just screws back onto this side for storage. Over on the other side, you have your USB-C charging port to charge your 2600 milliamp battery. Then over on the other side, if you take the charging cable and flip it around and insert your USB in here, you can use this as a battery bank to charge your phone. And this guy right here is an LED flashlight. To turn it on, you actually have to turn on the unit itself. So you're going to long press right in the middle and it'll say on. And then this button up here, the little sunshine button, is how you turn it on. And it'll cycle through 3 settings: your white, slow blink red, and quick blink red, back to off. This is what the face of the device looks like when it's turned on. At the top here, you have your pre-selected modes that you can adjust if you would like. And here are your units of measurements that you can go through. Just going to select this cycle button here to show you there is the vehicle, motorcycle, bicycle, sports mode, and a customized mode that you can set by yourself. Let's go outside and test this out. All right, we got the Syncwire attached to my valve stem of my tire. We're going to turn on the pump itself, and the first thing we're going to see is how much air is already in there. Okay, so it should be at 36 psi, but I'm a little bit low here. I'm going to turn this on. It's going to be a little bit loud, but let's see how long it takes to pump up. Pretty quick. And just a couple of closing thoughts on this portable air pump. We've seen that once it hits this desired PSI, it'll shut off automatically. It also will shut off automatically if you forget to turn it off. And remember, this is a portable air pump. If it starts to get hot, turn it off, let it rest. You don't want that motor to burn out on the inside. Once again, guys, this has been the portable air pump from Syncwire. Small, compact, easy to carry. It's perfect for emergency situations. Maybe you're out somewhere and you notice your tires are just a little bit flat and they need a little bit of air. Or maybe you're at the park and your son or daughter needs a little bit of air for their soccer or their basketball. This is going to be the perfect solution. Well, all right, guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome portable air pump from Syncwire, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.